Hey guys, just going to give you a bit of a walkthrough on how to waterproof a bathroom. So this bathroom, after our demolition, the floor wasn't in a very good state to waterproof directly over the slab. So in order to get a better surface to waterproof to, we've done the tile bedding first. So with that was done on Monday. Today's Wednesday. We've left it a day to dry, and then now, like, in order to waterproof over it, you would need to leave it a lot longer. I think maybe 7 or even 21 days. Don't quote me on that. But in order to not have to wait, we can put an epoxy primer over it. So you see down here, this is a 2-part epoxy primer. So I'm going to mix that up half and half, and then that will go directly over the top of the sand and cement bedding. And then once that dries, we can then put our first coat of waterproofing over. So with waterproofing, we're going to tape off the shower. We're going to go 100 mil above the water outlet, and we'll just go slightly past the shower tile angle there. We're going to put a 12 mil cove of silicone all the way around the outside, and then we'll put a breaker bond tape down when we put in the first coat of waterproofing. And in around the niche, we'll just put a fabric tape. So this will all get taped up and waterproofed. So that's sort of the first step of this. I'll update you again when we get on to the first coat of waterproofing. Thank you. As spoken about yesterday, guys, we're going to do a 12 mil cove silicone joint around the base of the bathroom. And this is the stuff that we use. This is a polyurethane sealant, and we like to use the Bostik products because we find they're quite a good product. Alright, I'm just going to load up the silicone gun, and then I'll show you how we do it. So you can see here we loaded up the silicone gun and we've cut it with a nice wide nozzle, and then we're going to start doing our 12 mil cove on the bottom. So I'll just show you how we do that. So we use this power gun just because it gets it out quicker, and it's less strain on your wrists and your hands and stuff. And now we just wipe off the excess with a cove scraper. So now you can see we've finished the cove on the floor. While we wait for that to dry, we're going to tape up the walls on the lines that we've done. So our 150 line at the bottom, and our the lines that we've got around the shower. And this is, you don't need to do this, but it just makes it look neater. Alright, so now we're just going to cut some, this is fabric tape, we're just going to cut some pieces to go in around this niche and just prepare it before we start waterproofing. Just want to go slightly past 50 mil either side. Alright, so now that we've cut our tape, I'm going to just start waterproofing the niche. Now, this is the waterproofing membrane we use. This is Damp Fix Platinum from Bostik. It's definitely one of the best on the market, and that's what we recommend. A coat on to act like as glue. Put that on. And I'll put that there. This is the breaker bond tape. This is the tape that goes in between the floor and the walls. So we're just going to cut this to size. We're going to go slightly over it and just trim the corners to make an internal corner. And then we're going to, again, put a glue coat on, stick it on, and then go over the top with it. Alright guys, now you can see we've finished our breaker bond tape around the perimeters, and we've done the niche and we've done the corner of the shower. It's time to start rolling. So we'll roll the walls of the shower first, and then we'll make our way out from the corner along the floor doing our first coat. Cheers. Alright guys, well that's the first coat done, you can see here, and we'll just do one more coat tomorrow. Probably won't video that, but that's how you waterproof a bathroom. Thanks a lot.